In this video guide, we're going to see how we can generate action figure using Chat GPT AI. And this is something that is going like a little bit on hype lately. So it's pretty popular and it's really fun actually. And you can use it with any character. So you can create like a fantasy character. You can upload a picture of yourself. You can use the photo of your relative or friend, whatever. So it's really fun, and it basically goes that you need to specify that it's going to be like a packaging and that it will contain some objects, some like specific tools or I don't know, characteristics of that character. So it's pretty fun, and let's get started. So first of all, you need to locate ChatGPT. So just search for, I'm searching here ChatGPT action figure, but I don't find ChatGPT, so I'm just gonna go for the standard OpenAI ChatGPT. So I'm gonna click on the first result, open it up, and you can see what I've done here. I've uploaded this image, which I taken from a really famous image of New York workers. And if you want to find the same, I'm gonna show you here. If I search for New York workers on a beam or something like that, and I think they were on Rockefeller Center, and this is a public domain image. So you have a lot of websites that are using this image, but we have some like newspaper. Let me check here, like public domain. Okay, so that's image that you can use freely, and we find the one here in the Wikipedia. So probably this is going to be the original one. So you can go here, and we have also the author, but you can see it's public domain and etc, etc. You can right click and save the image. You can just download the image. Now I've taken only the character on the right. I didn't want to do with all the character. I just took the character on the right. So first we need to save or download the image, and once it's downloaded we can crop out the part that we are interested in. So again, if you have a photo of a friend, of your parents, whatever, just pick one. You can crop out the rest. Now, if in Windows you save the image, you can open it up and you can use any graphic design software like GIMP or Photoshop, or even the capture tool here in Windows. And similarly, you can do it in Mac or other operative system. So right here, I just want to crop. So I want to use the crop tool on the top and then make this cropping area smaller so that it gets only the character on the right character, but that's an actual person and lived in that age. I'm gonna save it and store it in my download folder, or you can save it anywhere you want. Okay, now once I uploaded the picture, you can upload by pressing the plus button on the bottom. You can upload from the computer, you can upload using Google Drive or OneDrive, Microsoft. And once it's there, you can just need to type some prompts. So right here, I typed create action figure inspired by this photo of a worker in New York City Rockefeller Center. Okay, and just press enter, and it just generated the image right away. Didn't ask me anything. And you can see it's an action figure. It doesn't have the packaging, just an action figure like seated on that steel beam, and that's it. And it's really cool. It looks really realistic. If I open this up, it's gonna have high quality, and it's really amazing result. So this is one thing you can do, just the action figure, that's it. Otherwise, you can create the entire packaging around with all the little pieces. And in this case, you can also look for like ChatGPT action figure generator. So we're gonna generate using directly the link that is found here at the top. And let me just go up back. So I uploaded the same exact picture, and I just typed here make action figure of this worker in the picture using the action figure generator. You also find it on the left. Also, another pretty popular one is cartoonize me, to have like images like Studio Ghibli animation, things like that. And here we can do we can specify if we want like something included in the package, like I type hammer bottle sandwich and New York gadgets. And he's asking me if he's getting this right. So if I want to change like the facial hair, if I want the glasses or not, if which skin tone, which hairstyle, which expression of the character. So you can customize all of this stuff. You can change it, you can leave it as it is, and there it is. So that you can change the title. So title is going to be the iron beam icon, and you can change the accessories and the clothing style, the packaging also style, which it reflects like the black and white uh, um, age in a way. So like early 19th century, and etc., etc. So you can leave it everything as it is, or you can give more indications. But I think the result is already pretty cool. So you can see it from this distance, looks perfect. If you enlarge it a little bit, it's gonna show better, but you can see the text, they contain some little errors in there, but I think it's fine. I mean, it's just for fun, and it's not for any other purpose, just for entertainment. And it's really fun if you use, again, like people you know or famous people. And that it is. That's what it is. It's nothing but that. So I think it's a great tool to try. And so I hope you enjoyed this video guide. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can join the channel and support us and thank us. And also check our other video courses and video guides about character design and many more. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.